Maraming mga fans ni Chris Aquino ang natuwa nang muling makita nila at nagkaroon nga ng public appearance ang nasabing Queen of All Media last February 25, 2025 para suportahan ang kanyang kaibigan at designer na si Michael Leyva. Pero isa pang netizen ang nakapansin na napakaganda ni Chris dahil na rin to sa tulong ng makeup artist na si RB Chanco. Ayon kay RB, maraming mga challenges ang kanyang napansin habang mini-makeupan si Chris, lalo na't marami din itong allergies dahil na rin sa sakit. Kaya naman natuwa ang mga netizen dahil nagawa ito ng paraan. Although kapansin-pansin ang pagbagsak talaga ng timbang ni Chris at nakita na rin sa kanyang balat. Narito ang kwento ni RB na talaga namang maraming netizen ang napareact, ang iba ay nalungkot at ang iba naman ay natuwa. After 3 years, I finally got to do her makeup again. Something I had hoped for but feared might never happen. But last night it did and I couldn't have been happier. Chris is still very sick, frail, fragile, and fighting every day, which made every makeup product and brushstroke feel like a risk. With her severe allergies and flares, I was terrified she'd react, especially since she hasn't worn makeup since her health declined. But by some miracle, her reaction was minimal and that alone was a huge relief. Her appearance was brief but deeply meaningful, a sign that she's still there, still fighting, still moving forward. Despite everything, she made her first public appearance since becoming very ill. The real queen, the Chris we all loved and miss, is still here, stronger than we know, and maybe, just maybe, this is the start of something more. Finally, #RBeautified again and hopefully just the first of many more times to come. Sa puntong ito ay natuwa naman ng mga fans si Chris dahil ginagawa talaga niya ang best para makita pa rin siya ng kanyang mga tagasunod. Pero napansin din ng mga netizens sa nasabing photos na talagang pumayat si Chris. Ito nga ay binahagi din ni RB sa kanyang Instagram. Pero nakita din nila ang kagandahan ni Chris despite sa pinagdadaanan nito at ayon nga sa mga fans sana daw ay tuluyan ng gumaling si Chris Aquino.